the exhaust has been on the bike now for about 1,000 miles. It's really rides nice. It's got a mid-range power rather than top-end power, but it's still, I've been out all day today. I still saw over 100 miles an hour. The bike's really breathing better. I've still got the original air filter in there. I've just ordered a K&N air filter because it's a lot cheaper than the DNA. I always fit K&Ns to my bikes because I trust them. The bike is running lovely. When you think about buying an exhaust system, maybe have a look at this exhaust. The price is pretty good, considering that two S&S tip exhausts are about what was it now, about £500 for the pair. This was only 319. The next thing I'm going to do is when I get the K&N, I will fit it. I'll see how it goes. It'll probably give it a bit more brake horsepower. I hope you enjoy this film. If you are thinking of buying this exhaust, please read the instructions because I didn't. Always assemble the exhaust before you fit it to make sure it all fits, then fit the exhaust to the bike. My mistake was I didn't put it together properly. I then rang up TEC Bike Parts in Newcastle, and they were quite obliged to help me out where I'd gone wrong. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this film. The bike runs lovely, as I keep telling people, and the noise, as a lot of you can't hear it, I'll give it a bit closer. It goes straight to the rev limiter. Absolutely lovely exhaust. Anyway, hope to speak to you soon. Bye bye.